Imagine if your university could see everything that is happening in real time. Today, universities are flying blind and they don't really know what's happening in campus. A lot of faculty and admins in universities are having a hard time predicting course demand, optimize class scheduling, understand student behavior patterns. And right now, all of these decisions are driven by guessing and not data.
That's correct. And here at BYU Idaho, we've seen record-breaking numbers for freshman enrollment. And because of this, we're seeing firsthand these problems for our campus administrators.
This is why we created EduVision. EduVision is a desktop app that it was created using Python, SQL database, and machine learning modules that can solve this problem. Right now, we are gonna get into EduVision. So at EduVision, we care about security. This is why we start with an authentication needed.
That's correct. And you see that with our application that we made, we are displaying real time, real data about attendance, about different metrics relating to this purpose of determining occupancy, peak hours for when classroom attendance is spiking and whatnot. And we're tracking information regarding different campus facilities and rooms, and we're able to see and understand the data. And so we're going to go ahead and with this program, we've implemented an automation scheduler where we're able to fire events and send data based on different parameters such as hour or minute, day of the week, and or different minute intervals. That way we can keep track across different rooms, different buildings, and mark the attendance or count of people in there. And we're able to track and visit or see those schedules.
Hey there. The beauty of this is that you will be able to have multiple cameras working at the same time. For example, and this time I have this, but then if I go, I can also see myself here, which is really awesome. This will help us in order to have multiple cameras running at the same time as video surveillance. Right now, we see here that we have people count, we have a capacity, a room number, and building. So all of that is going to help us to take snapshots. So we will be able to gather data, and then in that way we'll be able to help faculty and everyone to determine what type of data. This is an example of the Hinckley building and room 202, and we see that we have 3 days here where we are able to see that in that day there were 12 students and other students in the next following days. Of course, this is mock data, but the whole purpose of this program is for us to help faculty solve all of those problems of class optimization and attendance. And this is just a way for universities to gather data in this world of AI in which we need data. So, thank you.
Okay.